Hey, what's up guys, my name is Ball6David and today I want to show you how to create thumbnails for YouTube videos. Well, for this you'll need a software. I'll recommend you to get started learning Photoshop. Trust me, what you can do in Photoshop you can do on any other softwares, and trust me, it may be hard at the beginning, but once you learn Photoshop very well, you will see that you'll no longer go back to your tiny apps on your smartphone or however you're using right now. I once against Photoshop. Once I started and get that learned, I never ever complain about Photoshop. I just actually started to loving that. However, if you don't want to learn Photoshop, I will show you something free which you can use to create thumbnails. You can go on Benzoid, that one works pretty fine. Here you can upload what you want to make. Here you can personalize add some text on top of something of the image. However, you can use that. I used that a couple of years, but yeah, let's just open Photoshop, and I have a very nice pic here which I want to edit with you. Was taken like days ago on the trip with my car. I was driving it and I just like the picture. It was like 4 or 5 a.m. in the morning. I catch the sun rising on the road. It was a very long trip, and yeah, I want to edit that as a thumbnail for you guys. So now as Photoshop just open up, let's press on new file, and we can add an you can press on custom. The width have to be 1920 by 1080. Make sure you have that correct, but for a YouTube thumbnail you can also go 1280 but 720. It will go just perfect. I will make it full HD, why not? Now as I have this open up, let's drag and drop the picture that you want to edit, and in any moments that will be just added. At any time when you feel like Photoshop, please, I'm waiting. God damn, I didn't turn off my laptop for like hours and now it's screaming. I can understand why you are so slow, man. So this will be the picture. Let's put it in the top left corner and drag it to make it HD. It's no problem if this will happen. It's happening very often. So once you'll have this in a spot you want to, just press enter. But for some reasons, if you don't like how you position your photo, you can at any time rearrange that. Just select the picture here on the layers, press Ctrl and T as in Thomas, and here you can do all this again. Let's make it bigger, why not? I want to catch the mountains and a bit of my steering wheel. I think that will do it, why not? Press on enter, now it's rendering. But I don't really like how the colors and the filters, everything how it's looking like. So let's convert it as a smart object. First, convert to smart object, that's perfect. And now let's press Ctrl Shift A. And now we can do the magic. Here is where the magic is happening. Just look at the picture how it's looking right now, and after that you'll see how we'll transform all this. So what I'm doing with all my pictures, I'm increasing the exposure by at least 0.3. You can see it's horrible, but you'll see later why. It's better to have with what you work. We need the brightness. Let's increase the contrast just a bit. Don't go very crazy. 15 will do it. What if we decrease the highlight? You can see, we can notice how an improvement is that on the sky. What about the shadow? Yeah, we can see the clocks. We can see the display and everything here very well. If we increase just a bit the shadow, I think that will do it. Whites, I don't want to decrease that too much. What about the blacks? That will help also more here on the interior. The texture, that will be very nice. I will go like 20. The clarity just a bit. Let's go like 12. No, let's go actually 16. And the haze, everything to look a little bit better. I think I will go 30. Yeah, 30 will do it. Let's go a bit with the vibrance and the saturation. I will go just like 12. And the saturation, let's go to 20. And what if we increase the temperature just a bit? Not too much. It's loading very slow. What about that? Let's go just like 10. No, I don't like it. Just let's go 13 or 12. Let's go 12 and press on OK. And you can see the previous photo how it looks like, and that's an improvement. This is why I told you must learn Photoshop. This is not only about this. So as you can see, I have some errors on the display. We can delete that if we press Ctrl and J. Yeah, we have to press now Alt click to select a source from where they have to take it. And let's make the brush. Just press J and let's decrease that by 30, I think. Okay, it's too small. Let's go 150. Yeah, that will do it. And this is where the magic is happening. Let's try to hide this. That's much better. You can do that with J on the desktop, and with Alt and click you can select where they will take, Photoshop will take the source. But if it's not really working, you can use also the brush. If you press B, you will have the brush. Let's take the color from here and erase everything very nice and smooth. Okay, what if we try to use... No. I want to make that line a little bit better. Okay, let's take the source here now and continue the line as much as I could at least. Let's try to make this a little bit smaller, 100. Let's take again the source here and continue this red line. Come on, make it in that position also. Okay, that will do it. As you can see, it's working. Let's hide also this. I was wearing the seat belt. I promised you that, but the sensor is not working. So let's hide this also. So even if you're putting that on, you can't turn off that annoying LED. However, now as we have the image, I want to add some text. So just press on T as in Thomas, and now click anywhere. So let's say I want to make this video about the best trips where you can visit Transylvania, best road. I will type just best road. Let's change the text to Roboto. That's a very good font to use. Black, italic, regular. That's working. Select this tool. This is the select tool, and will work if I will place it somewhere right there. Now with Ctrl and R, you can see this stuff, and these lines will help you to arrange things in the photo. They will not be seen in the photo, which you will later on save. Best road, still don't like the text. Roboto slab medium, that's much better than what I was. And let's put this in the middle of the photo. Yeah, that is working. Now I want to add another text right here. Let's type 2023. I want to put the year. And as I let a space of 100 on top, I will let also a space of 100 at the bottom. That's more professional. Do not put text like this. No, just don't do that. It's not professional. Best road 2023. In this situation, I will not have this text as it is. Let's press Ctrl and T and make it something like that. And put it, I don't know, something like it. Let's select also 100 on the margin, almost 100. That's working. And I will select the text, something like that. Let's add some drop shadow on that, because that will look much better. It will be very readable. As you can see, I will uncheck the shadow. The drop shadow looks very awesome. Add some stroke, inner shadow. It's up to you if you want to use all this. I want to adjust some counter. I don't want to put some texture. That will do. You can add all these effects from here. Also the outer glow. You can select the color. I'm not interested in this one. Let's also do the same with the year 2023. The drop shadow, the stroke, this one, and contour and inner shadow. Why not? And I want to make this text looks different. Let's make the road. I will select, double click and select just the road. And let's go yellow with this one. And Control and enter. And now let's make also the ear with the same yellow that I created the road. Press on this tool, eyedropper, select the yellow from here, from the road, press here, and let's copy the code really quick. Copy it. select tool, go back to 2023, and let's select the color and paste it right here. And we have the same yellow on both of them right now. Let's make the first text a little bit better. Select all this. And I want to go to, where is that? Come on. Okay, fine. I want to make this text a little bit bigger. I think that will, goddammit. Control and Z. Let's make it that again. Something like that. Control and enter. And let's arrange this on the line to look more professional. That is working. Why not? We can take this car out if we really want, in the same way we did with the LEDs from the car. But yeah, I will not struggle with all this, to be honest. Now I will show you something. I have some PNGs saved on my computer. I wanted to add something. Like come on, go back. Okay, this is the folder. This is an arrow which I have. And let's drag and drop the arrow and select the size. Okay, and press enter. What if I want to make a different thumbnail? I don't know. Let's delete the text and let's press Ctrl T because I want to put this on this track. Like something happened to this track and this thumbnail is about this track. So just selecting something like that. I will add some outer glow to this arrow. This will be the size, and the spread, I will increase the spread. It will be fine. And I will type just OMG as an example, OMG, and let's go impact with let's go as a font with impact, regular. That will go, and let's make this 100 in size. And let's put it, I don't know, here. Okay, let's add some drop shadow again really quick, some contour, some stroke, and this will do it. Let's add also some texture, why not? Go to texture, select it. That will do it. And not delete the 2023, let's type something else. You will not believe or no. What is that? That's perfect. Let's make the text a little bit small, like 500. No, a little bit bigger. 550. Yeah, it's working. And let's arrange that on the middle or not. Control T, something like that. Okay, now it's much better. And we can make that white, I think. Let's add some more text. Okay, let's make them let's make them red. And of course a little bit bigger. Let's go like 800. No, let's go 1000. I said 1000. Okay. So drop shadow, stroke, contour, and that will do it. Yeah, that will work also, why not? So that's a very cool thumbnail. I'm gonna lie, you can work on the I will work, if you ask me, on this text a little bit more. I don't like the font for some reasons, at least in this case. But this was the tutorial, guys, how to create a thumbnail in Photoshop for YouTube videos. If I help you, don't forget to smash the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and in my opinion it went pretty well. I really like it. So subscribe for more content, and I wish you one more thing, please have the greatest day you can possibly have. Have a nice day.